Welcome back to my channel, Spicy Tech Pro, and I hope you guys are so much well. So today I'm gonna show you how to make video in CapCut using all pro features without any cost. You can export it and using your social media. So no waste more time. Let's get into the video. It's almost updated versions for PC. So I'm in CapCut. So first of all, you have to complete your work like me. So I'm drag this video in my timeline and using some pro features. Okay, here's the video. I mean some pro features like filters. This is the pro filters. As you can see. Now text, I'm using some text on it. It's a pro text, simple. Okay, it's working. And now some effect, using some effect. Here is the effect on it. Look, the effect, all pro features. Okay, I'm using all pro features. So now you're supposed to go there in export. So you work everything done. Okay, now the next process. Okay, so click the export button. Okay, for now you can't get you that options, or CapCut not give you that option to export without paying. Okay, so you need to go back to the edit. You have to do something like this. Select all the clips, click the right button and create compound clip. Okay, it's fill up compound. Okay, now click right button as I'm doing. Click pre-process compound clip. It's take you some time. It's based on your machine. If your machine good quality or very much powerful, it's take a second or something like that. Okay, take a minute. Like okay, its process done. Now it's work done in your software. Everything is done. Everything done. So first of all, you need to go the app data. Where you can find app data? Click Windows plus R. Yes, it's come out with a pop-up sections, and now there's a fill in the blank. Write a app data. Okay, click it. Go to the local. Click CapCut. Click user data and find the project. Okay, here is the project. Now go to the complementary track. Okay, now you should go your software. Now you need to find the name of their project. Here is the name. As you can see, 0728 is the name. Now back to your folder. Go to the 0728. Sorry for that. 0728. Click it. Go to the resources. Now combination. Ooh la la. You got this video. Here is the video. Okay. Now just drag and drop. Drop your folder and drag your video in your timeline, and the old video should be deleted. I'm deleting the old videos. Now you get this. So you can click the export button. You can export this video with all effect, all pro effect. Okay, as well as AI video. Just follow my video, what I'm doing done in my video. Just do it. Okay, here is the name at the same videos. Okay, just export it. Done. Okay, export is done. So you can share your video in your YouTube platform, TikTok platform, whatever you want to do with this video. Okay, so I hope you guys are satisfied with my video, or if you're satisfied, you should subscribe my channel, okay, as well as comment in my video. So thank you so much. See you around in my next video. Till then, happy